third benefit addresses one of the most common ailments plaguing both ancient and modern populations: persistent coughs and respiratory illness that disrupt sleep and drain vitality. The Hadith records that honey mixed with warm water was recommended for throat ailments, and today's pediatricians increasingly suggest honey over cough suppressants for children over age 1. Research published in the Archives of Pediatric and Adolescent Medicine found that honey outperformed dextromethorphan, a common cough suppressant, in reducing nighttime coughing and improving sleep quality. Honey coats the throat, reduces irritation, and possesses antimicrobial properties that fight respiratory infections while soothing inflamed tissues, providing relief that's both immediate and healing simultaneously.